You got this. You can do it. We have to
Piper,
FaceTime it.
chill out. All you do is just call him and say, look, I love you, be my boyfriend. Are you going to sneeze or
Stop
something? What are you doing?
What was that reaction?